Alright guys, what we have here today is Kel-Tec PMR-30 chambered in 22 Magnum. The magazine release is actually on the bottom here. It has a couple witness holes. This is composite or plastic, and just show you, this is clear. It comes with high vis sights, green in the front and red in the back. They're pretty easy to acquire. It's a 4.3 inch long barrel. It also does have a thumb safety here, Picatinny rail. Now the grips are kind of wide in through here, and it's kind of slippery. It just has like a waffle pattern on it, and I put traction grips on it though, which does help. But we're going to take this to range and see how it does. Now for size comparison, here is an M&P 9 Shield, the first gen. As you can see, it's longer barrel, it's a little longer down here at the magazine, on the grip, a little wider. And this is one of those YouTube compliant magazines. And it comes with two magazines, and that's how many it holds. So let's take this out to the range, shoot it a little bit. Alright guys, I got the target set up about 7 yards. PMR-30. We'll see where this thing's hitting. I haven't shot this thing very much at all. Well, I forgot to put my ears on with that first shot. That's why there was a pause between the first and then the next four. I'm going to put a fresh target on here. I'm going to run it out to about 15 yards. Alright, 15 yards, PMR-30, 22 mag, 5 rounds. That's not bad. This gun is pretty accurate. It can be ammo finicky. You definitely need to use the full metal jacket, 22 Magnums and 40 grains. And you got to be careful when loading the magazine. You get it loaded, it'll run fine. Let's run it out some more. All right, you probably can't even see it, but we got the target down there at 25 yards. I'm going to put a fresh shoot and see on it, set this camera up, and we'll see what we can do at 25 yards. "25 yards, and it's almost 25 degrees out. Not bad at all. I'm quite pleased with that. Oh, wait. That's actually 4. Oh, okay. 5th one here. I guess I pulled that one. But still, quite pleased with it. It's a pretty accurate gun. Alright. We're going to go to a different range and do a mag dump. So stay tuned. Hey guys. Kel-Tec PMR-30 mag dump. 22 Magnum.